In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get API key HubSpot. If you're looking to connect HubSpot with another tool or build something custom, you'll often need an API key to authorize those requests. Think of it like a secure pass that proves your integration has permission to talk to your HubSpot account. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it, how to create it, and what to keep in mind to keep your data safe. First, open your HubSpot account and head to your main dashboard. In the top navigation bar, look for the settings icon. It's the small gear, usually at the top right of the screen. Click that to open your account settings. This takes you into the admin area where all configuration lives. On the left-hand sidebar, find the section labeled Integrations. If your sidebar is long, you may need to scroll a bit to see it. Click Integrations to open the integration options for your account. This is where HubSpot groups tools related to connecting external services and developer features. Within integrations, select as service keys. This is different from connected apps or marketplace listings. Service keys is specifically where you'll manage keys that authorize programmatic access. If you don't see this option, you might need additional permissions, so check with your account administrator. Next, choose Developer API Key. This area is dedicated to creating and managing the key that authenticates your request to HubSpot's APIs. You'll see controls that let you generate a new key if one doesn't exist, or replace an existing one if needed. Click Create Key. HubSpot may prompt you to confirm, and if you already have a key, creating a new one can invalidate the old key. That's important. Regenerating a key will break any integrations currently using the previous key until they're updated. Make sure you plan for that if you're replacing an existing key. Once the key is generated, copy it. Use the copy button next to the key or select it carefully to avoid missing characters. Treat this key like a password. Store it securely in a trusted place, such as a password manager or a secure secrets vault. Never share it in chat, email, screenshots, or public code repositories. If multiple teammates need access, share it using a secure method and keep a record of where it's used so you can rotate it safely later. That's it. You've navigated to settings, opened integrations, went into service keys, selected developer API key, created the key, and copied it securely. With your key in hand, you're ready to configure your integration responsibly and keep your data protected.